Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another Sneaker Mystery Box episode on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. In this episode, we have an expensive box for you guys today. It's gonna be $1,000 actually from Direct Kicks, and I'm super excited to open it up. Box is right here. It is huge. A lot of sneakers in here that we're gonna cover today, and I'll be getting into all of that real quick. But before I do, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Stash. Stash is an all-in-one app that allows you to take control of your finances by making budgeting, saving, and investing simple and easy. And listen, guys, now more than ever, it is super important to stay on top of your finances. We've all seen how things can spiral out of control quickly, and it is critical to have money saved and invested properly, which is why Stash is focused on providing tools and guidance to achieve financial freedom all in one easy app. Recently, I've been selling a lot more sneakers that I've been holding on to and using those profits to start investing in the stock market more. Stocks are becoming very affordable because the market spiraled down due to quarantine and stuff, and it could be the optimal time to start investing. And with an app like Stash, you can start investing for as little as $1. Most other platforms require people to buy a full share of an investment, but Stash allows you to buy fractional shares, which makes buying those expensive high-end stocks obtainable. Imagine selling that old pair of Jordan 1s that you guys don't use anymore and using those profits to start investing into your future. Not only would this free up space in your house, but you could start building up your financial future. And the best thing about all of this is that Stash is hooking up the Untitled Hana. Because when you sign up for Stash and deposit $1 into your new investment account, you'll receive $15 from Stash to invest. It's a really great deal, so don't miss out. So use that link in the description below to invest that $15 into your future today. Anyway, guys, I think it is time to open up this sneaker mystery box now. Again, this is $1,000 from Direct Kicks. I'm super excited to see what we got in here, man. We've been on kind of a pretty good hot streak recently with boxes, so I'm hoping that this one comes through once again. Okay, let's see what we have over here. Oh, what the heck? Okay, and so I guess the homies at Direct Kicks sent over this special content that says handle with care. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It says handle with care. But in here, we actually have a we have an insole that has half the insole. That's weird. Okay, sorry man, that's trash. I'm not gonna keep that. Resale value stays at 0. And then they also sent a pack of Pokemon cards. Interesting. Let's open this pack of Pokemon cards, I guess on camera. What the heck? It's already open. They already opened this. Oh, and they retaped it. What do we got in here? Dude, they took out the shiny whatever the expensive card was in here, and they gave me a Photon Crusher from a Yu-Gi-Oh pack. I don't know, man. That's very, very interesting. Don't know what to say about that. Resale value stays at 0, but I guess Direct Kicks is bringing the jokes today. That's fun. Good one, guys. Good one. Anyway, the first thing we got over here is a pair of Adidas. These are actually not too bad, dude. We got a size 10 over here, and this doesn't look too bad, man. I mean, check it out up close. I think it is a dead stock sneaker from what I can tell. It doesn't look like there's any creasing over any of the leather on the top, and also on the bottoms, it doesn't look like there's any dirt or rock stuck in the bottom, so I would assume it's a dead stock pair. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a box though, so that kind of hurts the resale value, but still, dead stock pairs are better than obviously used pairs, so this one will definitely fetch a lot more money because of that. And now we got the second pair of shoes. Dude, these things are actually not bad looking at all. This one is a size 9, and it's a lot more used than that Adidas we just saw. A very clean aesthetic actually in terms of like a colorway and stuff, but you guys can see it's definitely more of a used sneaker. There's some scuffing on the back over here. Bottoms, oh my gosh, are super dirty, and a lot of star loss actually over here as well, so not really what you want to see on a sneaker. However, I mean, for people that are trying to like save money and get sneakers for like a better price, you know, used is the way to go. I preach this all the time, but I haven't said it in a while because I mean, I keep forgetting that new people are coming to the channel all the time, but it's important to try to buy used when you guys can. I know right now during this time there's like a whole bunch of stuff going on with like hygiene and germs and all of this stuff, but if you guys disinfect shoes and stuff and you guys wash your guys' hands and you guys clean this up and stuff, you can save a lot more money by buying worn than if you could like buying it new. So that's why I really highly recommend trying to check out used, lightly used, probably not like this bad. This will definitely go for a lot less than a dead stock pair and still a lot less than a like very near dead stock pair. So you take what you get and just clean it up. It still works. It still works. Anyway, we got a couple more boxes in here. 6 more boxes? 6 boxes? This one right here is a Jordan 12 though in a size 9, and it's old school Jordan. You guys see that old school Jordan face box. And whoa, okay. I don't even know what colorway this is. This thing is pretty nice though. I like this. 2003. Okay, so we got a 17-year-old shoe over here. Pretty darn dope, and I actually really like this colorway. I want to say that this thing was worn a little bit, not too heavy though. I mean, for a 17-year-old shoe, you guys can see it's not that worn down, man. Leather on top still looks good. I mean, there's a little bit of discoloration over here. Bottoms, I don't see any dirt, and this could potentially be a dead stock shoe, but because it's so old, it's really hard to grade this kind of shoe. So who knows, this might actually be a dead stock pair. One of the good things about like direct kicks and stuff too is that if you guys have questions about shoes that come in like a mystery box, I've DM'd them on Instagram before, I've emailed them before, and they're really nice about letting you know, oh no, that's a dead stock pair, we've had it in store, we listed it as dead stock. So they'll help you out if you guys don't know what's going on with this box. This one is like right on the edge, so yeah, I'm not too sure. Might have to ask. All right, next shoe out, Nike box over here, size 8.5 Air Max Tavis print. What the heck is that? Okay, so we got a brick over here, man. I'm not super hyped over this. Yeah, size 8.5, and I mean, is there really anything to say about this? I mean, check it out. It's one of your everyday kind of shoes. I mean, this is a good like maybe hiking shoe or just a workout gym shoe. Seems like that's what they were using it for. Looks like it's actually very comfortable, but other than that, I don't really know what to say about this. Definitely a worn pair. I'm assuming this might go for $20. I'm not sure what the counter is, but yeah, it doesn't seem like it'll go for that much. Next up, we got a pair of Jordans over here. A lot of old Jordans actually. Size 9.5, Jordan 18. Oh man, and this one, orange is definitely not one of my favorite colors, and this one is very, very orange. Check it out. I mean, if you guys are into 18s, this doesn't look like it's in bad condition per se. The suede up here, I mean, it's a little bit worn down, but even this, you guys can kind of clean up a little bit. Bottoms don't look too bad either. This thing still looks pretty solid though, and I'm hoping it fetches maybe $100. Most Jordans go for at least $100. Doesn't really matter what like model it is and stuff. Jordans still sell no matter what, because I mean, it's Michael Jordan and everybody loves his sneakers. Just depends on what generation you're from when you watch them. And who knows, maybe people really like their 18s. Actually, on this box, it says it's priced for $225. Man, if I get $200 for this, I'll be impressed, dude. We got an NMD box over here, NMD R1 in a size 9.5. And ooh, this is pretty dope, man. It's got like the Hawaii themes going on this one. I don't think I've ever seen this Adidas before. I didn't know they actually made this. And this one does look like it's a dead stock pair as well. So this is what I mean by like Hawaii theme. When you guys look over here, they got like that tropical palm tree kind of look over here, and you guys can see Adidas, same kind of look. I don't see any other like markings on the shoe that make it pretty unique. Definitely got the Hawaii vibes. I'm assuming these will still sell really fast, just because even though they're not super hyped, Boost material is still one of the most comfortable materials like ever. I still wear Ultra Boost a lot. I still have like a couple NMDs here and there. It's not a bad shoe at all, so I know for sure these will sell. Okay, so I oh no, dude. I was just gonna say, I've never seen this Yeezy box before. Oh no, it doesn't have a number on it. It just says slide. This, size 12, Yeezy slide. Yo, what the heck? So this is my first time seeing a Yeezy slide, and this thing is, whew, this is bad. What was the retail on these bad boys? I don't even remember. It's very, very light at least. I'm not sure how it would be like on feet. I would say it just looks like a typical slide though. It really just feels like a piece of plastic, a standard like slipper as we call it in Hawaii. But yeah, I can't tell if this is new or not. Bottoms don't look like they're worn or anything, so that's good, I guess. I don't really like these ridges either. I mean, it'll provide good traction, but I don't know how comfortable that would be. But yeah, this is a confusing one for sure. As someone who wears slippers more often than I wear shoes, just because I live in Hawaii, we're at the beach and stuff all the time, it's weird if you wear shoes. Shoebies, you guys know what it is. Rocket power. How much does this go for? It's gotta be like $50, right? This can't be more than that. And even at $50, dude, that's kind of insane. Like, I would not spend that money on this, but you know, Yeezy's got his name all over everything now, so might be good value in here. Okay, and the last shoe that we got in this box is, oh my god, dude. I was hoping this would be a money shoe, but I don't think it is. It's another Yeezy box that I've never seen before. This one is a size 11 though, so I can actually fit this one. Probably not gonna wear it though. Oh, okay, actually this isn't that bad of a shoe, I think. This is a pair of the Yeezy 500s in the boot form though. You know, now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know what it is, but I just really resonate with the 500 model, even though I was hating on it so much. I don't know, the materials and stuff are very comfortable, and I liked wearing those shoes. Check out the boot model though. This thing is a tank, it feels like. Soles are very, very heavy, but the upper is still made with like nylon, mesh, whole bunch of different materials up here. And it just has kind of a clean aesthetic, not gonna lie. I'm not a boot guy myself, but this thing doesn't look too bad. And in terms of condition, very, very solid. I mean, the bottoms, definitely been worn, but for the most part, I don't see like any stains or anything on the upper that looks bad. So yeah, not a bad shoe at all. I just don't know how much these fetch in terms of value and stuff as well. So we really got to see. It's going to be a confusing one to kind of grade. And I mean, as the last shoe of the box, you expect like maybe a banger, like a Jordan 1 or, you know, like a DS Yeezy or something. So I really don't know how to grade this box, which is making it one of the most confusing boxes I've ever unboxed, like ever. A lot of old school Jordans, a lot of like Yeezys that I don't know how to grade because I don't keep my eye on like all the Yeezys, especially the slides in the Desert Boot. But what I know about Direct Hicks is they always like do good boxes. So I'm not too worried. I'm just kind of confused, and I know I have to do my calculations. You guys see it in real time. I have to do it all after the video, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I'm hoping that we may profit. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys did not download Stash yet, I would highly recommend you guys do that. It is linked in the description below. If you guys enjoy these videos, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots!